Bookmarking and question and answer sites. The key to success with social bookmarking sites is to make connections with as many other people as you can on those sites. Now, generally, you won't see floods of traffic from these sites, but the opportunity is there for you to gain some visitors to your content. And the key to these sites is really to stay consistent, to make sure that you are constantly bookmarking your content and connecting with other people. And some of the most popular sites out there are Delicious, Slashdot, Dig, and StumbleUpon. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the first of these sites is Delicious. It allows you to go ahead and save, organize, and discover interesting links on the web and then share those with other people. And as you can see, if we just go over to Alexa and judge the popularity of the Delicious website, you can see it's in the top 1,000. And that's the top 1,000 of all sites in the world. So as you can see, Delicious is a very, very popular site. Another popular bookmarking site is going to be slashdot.org. And they're going to allow you to go ahead and bookmark different sites and content on your website. You can tag it or bookmark it and share that with other people. Another very popular bookmarking site is going to be Dig, which is at digg.com. And once again, there you can go ahead and tag your content, share it with other people. And if you have good content, it's going to get shared by other people. And you can see when we go to Alexa, Dig is ranked 464 out of all the websites in the world. So if you get your content on Dig and you share it with people and it's good content, you have the potential to tap into that really, really popular traffic. Another one out there is StumbleUpon. StumbleUpon lets you go ahead, tag stuff, tag other people's content, but what you generally want to do is tag content on your website. Tag other content and drive them to your website. It's just such a popular site. You need to tap into its power. Now, another type of marketing, okay, that's really, really popular is going to be going to question and answer sites. Now, a lot of marketers, they swear by using question and answer sites to get highly targeted. You're not going to get a lot of traffic, but you can get very highly targeted traffic to your website. And what you need to do is you need to go to these different various question and answer sites. Find the questions that need answering in your niche and then provide them with solutions. If you don't have the exact solution on your website, spend a little bit of time, create something for them. Just spend a little bit of time creating something that will solve their problem. So if they have a question about how to build muscle and you're in the bodybuilding niche, put together a little article or grab an article for somewhere, put it on your site, and then link to that content. One of the things that can't be denied, many of these sites are really, really popular. And we'll take a look at some of the most popular question and answer sites. We have AnswerBag, Answers, Answers.yahoo.com, which is definitely the most popular of all the answer sites, AOL Answers, and Quora. And we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at some of these sites right now. Like AnswerBag right now, very popular site. People have questions and you can go ahead, go to these sites, answer their questions, and link back to your own site. It's not that difficult. You can see, I went to Yahoo Answers and someone had a bodybuilding question, and you can see this person here, they've gone ahead, they've told this person the answer to the question that they wanted. And down at the bottom, what do they have? They have a call to action to go ahead, visit that person's website for more information on the solution to the problem, okay? And what you can do is you can search these sites, find very popular questions, okay, and then provide answers. You can see Answers. It's rated 111th most popular site in all of the United States. That's very powerful. And you, by answering questions on these sites, providing a link back to your website with relevant information, you can tap into the power of these websites. And it's something that you really should try doing. Even AOL has a site that's called AOL Answers. And while it's not, the most popular site in the world, it's still in the top 10,000. And when you consider that there's millions upon millions of websites out there, if you can get, on one of these popular sites linking to the content on your site, you really can get a lot of traffic to your site. Quora is another one. Quora, a great site. People have questions. You can go ahead, answer those questions, and then go ahead and bring people to your site. Both of these methods, both social bookmarking and question and answer sites, are a method that you should implement to go ahead and get some free traffic to your website.